Hello viewers, welcome to today's video. In today's video, we are going to learn multiplication of matrices. That is 2 by 2 matrices. Now, a matrix is given. So these are the matrices. We have matrix A to be this, matrix B to be this, and matrix C to be this. Now we have to find matrix A and B. That is the product of A and B, and the product of BC. Then the third one will be the product of CD. So let's solve for the first one. How do you solve for the product of matrix A and B? You write your matrix in this form. You take your matrix A, you write it. You take your matrix B, you write it in this form. Now, how do you solve? Watch here. We are going to use the elements here, these three. The position of 3 here, we are going to use it to multiply each element in column 1 of matrix A. So this is how we solve it. You take 3, you use it to multiply the elements here, plus you come and take 4 here, you multiply with each element in the second column here. So when you take 3, 3 will multiply 3, we have it here. This 3 again will multiply the 5 here, we have it here, plus now we are done with the first element, which is 3. Let's take our second row, which is 4. The 4 will multiply the elements of the second column of matrix A, each element. So when we take 4, it will multiply the 2, we have it here. You take the same 4 here to multiply 3, you have it here. Now we are done with the first column of matrix B. Then let's take for the second column of matrix B. We'll go by the same procedure. That is, you are going to use the elements here to multiply each element in the first column of matrix A. So 2 will multiply 3, the same 2 will multiply 5. So we have it 3 times 2 is here, 5 times 2, plus, now we are done with the first element here. So we'll come and take the second element, which is 1. So the 1 will multiply each element in the second column of matrix A. So 1 times 2, we have it here. 1 times 3, we have it here. Now let's do the multiplication. 3 times 3 will give us 9, plus 2 times 4 will give us 8. 5 times 3 is 15, plus 3 times 4 is 12. Now let's do the second column. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 2 times 1 is 2. 5 times 2 is 10, plus 3 times 1 is 3. So let's add. 9 plus 8 is 17. 15 plus 12 is 27. 6 plus 2 is 8. 10 plus 3 is 13. So this is the answer for the product of matrix A and B. Let's take example 2. Example 2. Given that matrix A has this element and this matrix is 2 by 2, we have to find A square. This A square means A times A, which is the same as this. So we are going to repeat the matrix here 2 times. They are products. So how do we solve this? From the beginning, you are going to use the 1 here to multiply the first column here, every element in the first column here. So 1 times 1, we have our answer here. 1 times 1 again, we have it here. Now we are done with the first one, so let's take the second element. So 1 times 2, we have it here, and 1 times 1, we have it here. Then we put the addition sign. Now we are done with the first part, so let's take the second row of matrix A. So it means the 2 will multiply each element here, plus 1 will multiply each element here. So let's do it. 2 times 1, we have it here. 2 times 1, we have it here, plus 1 times 2, we have it here. 1 times 1 is here. So let's multiply. 1 times 1 is 1, plus 2 times 1 is 2. Let's come to the second row. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. Now let's come to the second column. 1 times 2 is 2, plus 2 times 1 is 2. 1 times 2 is 2, plus 1 times 1 is 1. So when you add 1 and 2, 1 plus 2 is 3. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. 2 plus 1 is 3. So this is the final answer for this matrix. Thank you.